In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 easy things that I do to food prep a couple times a week to make healthy eating easier.
I like to buy about 20 bananas each week when I go grocery shopping, and I'll eat some of them as a snack. I will chop some up and put them in oatmeal, and then the rest, when they get really ripe and spotty, I put them into glass containers like this with the lid on and put them in the freezer so that they're ready to make smoothies with or vegan ice creams. It's just super easy and something that I've gotten in the habit of doing. Up next, I like to make my lentils in advance. So this is something that I've been doing in my rice cooker. I will rinse 1 cup of dry green lentils and then cook them in the rice cooker with 2.5 cups of water. And my rice cooker doesn't have any settings other than cook. And then when they're ready, it just clicks to the warm setting to keep them warm. And then I'll just unplug it if I want to let them cool off. So you can't really mess this up as long as you put enough water in. It just shuts itself off when they're cooked. And so I will use these lentils in soups or in rice dishes, or you can even blend them up with, spinach and some other ingredients to make a dip. But they're just super delicious. Honestly, you can even just eat them like that. They just taste super good. Up next, I like to chop and wash my broccoli or any other vegetables like Brussels sprouts, bell peppers, anything that you might add to another dish that just, it's more convenient to just reach in the fridge when you're ready to cook a meal and your veggies are already chopped and washed. It makes it that much more likely that I'm actually going to reach for them and eat them rather than looking for something that is more convenient and maybe a less healthy option. So something like this broccoli, I might add to a bowl of pasta with some oil-free tomato sauce, or add it to a potato and bean dish or a rice dish. And yep, it's just something really easy to try to do to save time during meal times. Next, I like to either make a fresh fruit salad by washing and peeling and chopping the fruit in advance, or more than likely, I just buy the frozen bags of fruit like this and then thaw them out in the fridge in a container like this so that when I want something for a snack, I can just reach for the fruit because it's healthy and an easy option. Something that I've been doing really recently is baking some potatoes or sweet potatoes in my air fryer first thing in the morning, just so that they're already ready. And they stay warm in there even when the air fryer is off for like an hour to 2 hours if I don't open the door. I can honestly just eat these sweet potatoes like that. If you overcook them a few minutes, they get kind of gooey and they just taste really good on their own. Or you can chop up the potatoes and put them in any other dish that you're making. Like maybe you want to mix them into a salad to make the salad a little more filling. And it's just something easy to do in advance so that when you are hungry to eat, you don't need to wait 20 minutes or half an hour, however long it takes you to prepare your food. It's just there, ready to go, ready to eat, and it makes your day a little bit easier.